Goodness me, I'm not treating my bees well today. Man, oh man, why would you go wood? This is the grill at the bottom, or the bottom, I'll see if I can show you. The grill's in there somewhere, and getting towards winter, I'm shutting up shop a little bit and putting this into it, but not all the way, it goes all the way, but I'm just leaving a bit of space for now, because it's not quite winter yet, but I'm just getting ready. So these girls are mostly ready. These are the hives that I've just got ready for a customer. This is my poly nuke that I haven't actually touched. I'm hoping that that they'll be fine. Oh, that's a good sign. Another dead wasps. And look at all these poor dead wasps in there. There's actually not many wasp traps I've actually seen work. But it's going a lot here. As you can see, I'm still very popular. They haven't stung me too much, except when I bent down. They got me on my ankle, and you know, when my guard got down there, it sort of came up and in they came. All day, I think one sting. It's the popularity you don't want. As I'm going away from them, they're still buzzing around. I've pissed them off quite a bit. Anyway, that's part and parcel of beekeeping, especially by the Bumbling beekeeper.